Every October, when the full moon is full at least once, when the wolves are out on the prowl, when the Christmas ornaments are just hitting the shelves, the secret alley and the Galallery invoke the spirit of Halloween to frighten and delight their unsuspecting visitors. In the past, they have created a haunted house laboratory, a classic setting for malicious monster making, a doomsday ray where you can harness the power to destroy the world, a UFO crash landing site where the government attempts to prevent the world from knowing the truth, and the fantastical lair of Jack. Where a pumpkin demon collects the spirits of lured children. This year, as the clouds part ways to induce the satanic possession of the tireless workers of the alley and the Galallery, they begin to conjure the darkest, spookiest, most sinister entity yet, an experience that may cause madness and permanent fright. The candles have been lit, the incantations have been scribed, and the sacrificial sacrifices have been scheduled. All we need now is help from you, our friendly frighteners, caring creeps, and giggling ghouls to make this Halloween hallucination happen. Take part in the festivities by contributing your cryptic coins to fund this year's Halloween experience.